3 reasons why a trade plan is needed when trading Forex. In this video, we're going to show you our trade plan and invite you to share in the profits as we review trades predicted in our Telegram group. Let's run the intro. Let's find a trade, the series that gives you money-making trade ideas that work. In this video, we're going to look at the live charts for potential setups. We're using a simple strategy from our textbook, My Trendline Breakout Strategy, how you can make money trading Forex. The strategy has shown itself to be successful in a live trading account. We believe anyone can learn to apply this strategy and make money from home. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. Please subscribe and share as you see value. And remember, we enter all trades with risk. Let's get to it. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the concept of having a trade plan, why it's beneficial. And very much needed. Our trade plan is very simple. You can see on the chart here, trend line break. There we are, the trend line broke beautifully. We anticipated this actually happening and shared it in our Telegram group. As you see here in the chart now, there's a trend line. There is where it hit the 200 period. So we followed the trade, right? So we put the trend line on, it broke the trend line, it hit the 200 period movement average, it came back down. Now here's the order block. Okay, why did that become an order block? Well, as you can see, price came into the order block, respected it, obviously took stops off that, right? So everyone who left their stops there, thinking it was going to go way up. That's what happens. It's not the entry that's the problem with most traders, okay? Some people get a good entry, but then it's the target. Where is price going to go? Is it going to go up here? In which case your stops are down there, you're holding thinking, and it's come down, look, it's taken those stops out. So now what was a winning trade becomes a losing trade. So it's very, very simple. You gotta have a trade plan and a clear understanding of where you expect the market to go, okay? We have a strategy that we use consistently in this regard. And notice this is a beautiful topic. So for some reason, it couldn't get past this area here. It's taken a reversal. And, maybe it's going to continue on down here. This, for our smart money concept traders, it would be a point of interest, okay? And also this is a point of interest, isn't it? In this area here. This is a point of imbalance, okay? So many people may have thought that, the market's going to reach up to here. Clearly it didn't have enough steam to get up there, but this would be an area of interest for some traders. Okay? But again, this was a beautiful trade, predictable, break of the trend line, pullback, and away we go. Okay? Predictable, we spoke about it, we anticipated it, and then it happened. So we're here in live chart, we're going to go to the dollar CAD, for example. Now, it's quite interesting with this pair that what we're getting here is a bottom formation. We're getting that bottom formation. Here's a trend line break. Let's just put a bit of a straight line. How about we do straight? So, okay. There's a line. Okay. It's broken above it. It's pulled back into it. Now, what would the thinking be here? And that's a beautiful trade. That's the trade that's already paid out, okay? However, okay, this area here Okay. So you can see a triangle form can be the result of that. You get the point. Okay. This area here can lead to that happening out there. So we've got the break. So therefore, if price comes back above this line, then you know it's going up. That is an opportunity to make pips and profit. Okay. That is how things match up on the chart. Okay, that's number one. And then we're going to look at the other one, which is the pound dollar. The pound dollar is an opportunity we discussed before. And why is this a trade? Right? Why is this a trade? Well, let's have a look. Trendline breakout. I mean, it's just been in a sideways motion here. Okay. Break of the trend line up, and it's just in a sideways motion, leaning down. Okay, here's an area of interest over here. It's a space that market might want to tap into. There's some liquidity down there, and then go off and do what it's doing. Amazing how the market moves. That's how it moves. It moves in channels. Yeah. This was a beautiful trade. We spoke about it here, did a video on it. Trend line broke, and then we've had this movement going sideways there. So there's so many opportunities in the market. It's the summer months. Don't stress. Lower your position sizes. Basically, you're trading just to stay in the game, keep abreast of the market, but the sun's out, it's shining, it's nice and hot. You want to spend time with the family. Very, very important. The markets are just going to go sideways over the summer period until about August. And then boom, it's going to take off in whatever direction. And we'll be there to anticipate and get involved in those trades. But it's summer, the weather's hot, it's so nice outside. So, be sure to take time away from the charts. Rest your eyes, rest your eyes. Lower your position size, because the market is just not gonna shoot off, right, in the direction that you might anticipate it's gonna do. It's just gonna go sideways. I've seen this so many times. It's just gonna go sideways, and you're just gonna have to be patient. Gonna have to be patient. Even that patience, it's a trade plan. Gotta have a trade plan to be successful when trading the Forex markets. Take profits a bit earlier, that's a plan. Having a strategy, that's a plan. You plan your trade, then you trade your plan. Very, very simple concept. Guys, not gonna take long with this video, as I never do. But what I want to do is just leave you with those thoughts and ideas, okay? We've already got a trade set up that we're looking at for this week. We'll try and get another video out pertaining to that particular trade. For those that are actually in the Telegram group, we've posted it already. It's the Australian versus the New Zealand dollar. So wishing you guys a splendid week, fantastic pip making and all the rest of it, having time with your family, so on and so forth. And look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Speak to you soon. Take care.